Have you noticed this? You pick up your phone for 1 minute, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. Your brain feels noisy. Your focus slips. You promise yourself you'll be different tomorrow, and tomorrow looks exactly the same. If that feels familiar, this story is for you. Imagine waking up and not reaching for your phone first. No buzzing, no endless notifications, no scrolling in bed. Your mind is quiet. Your breath is slow. You feel present. That version of you is possible. And the way to reach it is not more apps, but less. A simple, powerful digital detox. Let me paint the picture we all know. You sit to work or study. A message arrives. You check it. You come back. Another ping. You check it. Then a recommended video appears. Then 3 more. Your brain keeps switching lanes again and again. By the end of the day, you're tired but not satisfied. You were busy but you didn't finish. You were connected but not present. And late at night, you tell yourself, I'll do better tomorrow. Still, the loop continues. There's a hidden cost to this loop. When every minute brings a new alert, your brain burns energy deciding what to do next. That's decision fatigue. Your attention span shrinks. Deep work feels heavy. Emotionally, the comparisons hurt too. You see someone's perfect travel, perfect body, perfect life, and suddenly your own day feels small. Sleep gets worse. You go to bed with a bright screen and wake up with a tired mind. And slowly, real life gets pushed to the side. Conversations are half awake, meals are half noticed, beautiful moments are missed because we're busy capturing them. So let's ask a true question. Is our digital connection quietly disconnecting us from ourselves? Here's the good news. You do not need to disappear from the internet. You do not need to throw your phone in a river. You just need a plan that gives your attention a home again. I'll share a simple 7-day detox. It's gentle, realistic, and it works even if you're a student, a parent, a creator, or someone who must be online for work. Day 1, make your phone quiet. Turn off non-essential notifications. Keep only calls, messages from family, and truly important apps. Everything else can wait. You'll be amazed how different your mind feels when the phone stops shouting your name. Day 2. Create no-phone zones. Pick one place and one time. For example, no phone at the table and no phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Protect these like a promise. Those small islands of quiet will grow. Day 3, move your icons. Put distracting apps in a folder on the last screen. Put helpful apps, notes, books, language learning on the first screen. Make the easy thing the right thing. Day 4, single task power. Choose one task. Set a simple timer for 25 minutes. Phone face down. Do only that one thing. When the timer ends, take a 5-minute break. Repeat 2 or 3 times. You will feel your focus returning like a lost friend. Day 5, swap the habit. When you want to scroll, do a tiny replacement. Drink water, stretch for 1 minute, step into sunlight, or read 2 pages of a real book. Replace the urge, don't fight it. Your brain loves a new path when it is easy and short. Day 6, go outside on purpose. 20 minutes in nature if you can. Your balcony, a park, a walk around your block. Leave your phone in your bag or pocket. Let your senses wake up. Notice the color of the sky. Feel the air. Listen to something that isn't a speaker. Day 7, intentional re-entry. Decide when and why you'll be online today, then stop when the purpose is complete. Use technology as a tool, not a master. If you need social media, set a timer before you open it. When it rings, close the app with a smile. You kept your promise. Now you might be thinking, what if I miss something important? Good question. Here's the answer that works. Make a small safety net. Tell 2 or 3 close people, if it's urgent, please call me. Keep call notifications on. Most things are not urgent. Your peace is important. What happens when you do this for 1 week? First, your mind starts to feel clean. Focus returns. You begin and you finish. Creativity wakes up. It was always there, just buried under 10 open tabs. Sleep becomes deeper. You fall asleep faster because your brain isn't glowing. You laugh more during conversations because you are actually there. Food tastes better. Music sounds richer. It's simple. Life gets brighter without a screen in front of it. And something else happens. You remember who you are. Without constant noise, your values speak again. Maybe you sit with your family longer. Maybe you call a friend and really listen. Maybe you return to a hobby, or you finally begin the thing you've been postponing for months. A more intentional life begins, one small choice at a time. If this is speaking to you, let's make a decision together now. Choose one promise you can keep today. Maybe it's no phone for the first 30 minutes in the morning. Maybe it's no phone at meals. Maybe it's 1 hour of deep work with notifications off. Keep it for 1 day, then 2, then 7. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Let me give you a simple image to carry. Imagine your attention is a small candle in your hands. Every ping is a gust of wind. When you cup your hands around the flame, it grows steady. That's what this detox is, cupping your hands around the light inside you. If this story and plan helped you, I'm asking for your support. A like and a comment push this video to more people who need it. Tell me in the comments, what one promise will you keep this week? Write it like a contract with yourself. And because this channel is still small and growing, your subscribe truly matters. If you want more simple English stories and life lessons that help you think clearly and live better, please subscribe now and turn on the bell. You'll help us build a community that values presence and peace. Before we finish, here's a bonus tip that changes everything. Put your phone to sleep before you sleep. Choose a time each night when the phone goes to its charger in another room and your mind returns to quiet. It's a small ritual with a big result. You don't have to escape the digital world. You just have to step back far enough to see it clearly. Your attention is your life. Guard it, guide it, and give it to what truly matters. If this video brought you value, please like it, comment your one promise, and subscribe to English with Stories. Share this with a friend who is drowning in notifications and needs air. I'm cheering for your quiet mind, your deep focus, and your calm heart. May you sleep deeply tonight. May you wake refreshed. May your day be full of real moments and real smiles. Take a breath with me. In and out. You've got this. I'll see you in the next story.